Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Just wanted to do an update on a little piece of the farm. This is going to be the proposed driveway. Here's the new gate entrance. Put that in yesterday, and then going back up through here, going to be the driveway going up this way. So got marked out with flags. So I think it should work out all right. Still working on the idea of everything. Get it all straightened out. This right here is my rope fence. It's a poly wire. Don't touch it, might shock. But over here is where we're probably gonna have our garden. And up here too. A little bit of a long driveway. Walking up. And then got up here a little bit. And there's the pony way out there. And then come over here. This is probably gonna be the parking area. Probably still work on that. Right there on the other side of the truck here is where the house is probably gonna go. Not sure when we're gonna get started on that. It's all overgrown with weeds and stuff at the moment. Probably gonna tear it out, might put a basement in it. Not sure yet, we'll see. But yep, that's the majority of it so far. I might put in a roundabout driveway, like up near the parking area. Right here on this side of the house. There's the house. Yeah, circle around here and go out towards the shed over yonder. So, but anyways, just wanted to give y'all an update on the farm. Consider liking the videos, subscribing for more. See y'all.